Welcome back to my channel, and more importantly, to day 24 of the 25-day countdown to October, which means that tomorrow's video is probably going to be of one of my, if not my absolute favorite square, because he's just so silly, and I feel like a classic symbol for October. But anyway, this video is not about that little character. It is about today's stripes. So for today's video, you will need orange, green, and purple, or whatever colors you want to do for this, as well as a 5mm hook. And if you can hear anything, my boyfriend just got home and he's having a snack before he goes and works out. So if you hear any sounds, I apologize for that. So to start off, I'm going to take the orange and I'm going to do a magic circle. Then I'm going to chain 3 and do a double crochet into the magic circle. Then I'm going to chain 2, and then I'm going to do 4 double crochets into the magic circle. And you're going to chain 2, do 4 more double crochets into the magic circle. Chain 2, and do 4 double crochets into the magic circle. And then at this point you should have 2 double crochets and then 3 sets of 4 double crochets. So you're going to chain 2 and then do 2 double crochets. And then you pull it nice and tight. You're going to go into the top of that chain 3 space because that does count as a double crochet in this pattern. You're going to grab your next color, which for me is purple. I'm going to pull that through. I'm going to chain 3. I'm going to make sure to pull both nice and tight, and then I'm going to pull the purple over because I'm going to chain over it, but I'm going to leave the orange out. I'm going to go into the, not the same spot we just worked in, but the first double crochet, and do a double crochet, and then go into the space and do 2 double crochets. I'm going to go ahead and drop the purple. I'm going to chain 2, and then I'm going to do 2 more double crochets into that corner. And then I'm going to double crochet in each of the 4 double crochet spots. And then I'm going to do 2 double crochets into the corner, chain 2, and then do 2 more double crochets into the corner. And I'm going to continue doing that pattern all the way back over here, and I'll meet you there. So I just got done doing my last 2 sets of double crochet into the corner. So I'm going to go into that first double crochet and then the last one. And I'm going to go into the top of that set of 3 chains. I'm going to grab my next color, which is for me green. I'm going to pull the green over. I'm going to chain 3. I'm going to drop the purple in the back. And I'm going to do a double crochet into the top of that first double crochet. And I'm going to go over the green up to the corner. And then I'm going to do 2 double crochets into the corner. Drop the green, chain 2, and do 2 more double crochets into the corner. And then I'm gonna continue that pattern all the way around, and I'll meet you right back here. So I am doing my last double crochet, and now I'm going to go into the top of that chain 3 space. And I'm going to go back down here. And I'm going to grab that orange. I'm going to pull that through. I'm going to chain 3. I'm going to drop the green in the back, and I'm going to do a double crochet into that first double crochet spot. And I'm going to continue my pattern of going around doing double crochets and then doing 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 more double crochets into the corner, and I'll meet you back right here. So I just did the last double crochet for the orange. I'm going to go into the top of that chain 3 space. I'm going to pull this over to the side. I'm going to grab my purple from the back. I'm going to pull that through. Make sure to pull the orange nice and tight, and then I'm going to do a chain 3, and I'm going to do a double crochet into that first double crochet. And I'm going to crochet over the orange all the way to the corner since we don't need the orange again, just to have less work to do at the end when it comes to sewing everything up. So I'm going to go ahead and drop the orange, and then I'm going to continue the pattern as usual of just doing a double crochet all the way around with 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 2 more double crochets into the corner, and I'll meet you right back here. So I just did the last double crochet of the purple and also just for the square in general. So now I'm going to go in the top of that chain 3 space, pull the purple over, and then grab the green from the back. I'm going to pull that through. And then I'm going to chain 3. Or actually, no, sorry, I'm going to chain 1. I'm on the kick. I'm going to go into that same spot that we haven't been doing before. I'm going to do a single crochet, and then I'm going to go into the top of the first double crochet and then chain 1. And I'm going to keep going over the purple until I get to the corner, like I've been doing everything else, just to kind of get it sewn over and weaved in a bit, so I have less to do at the end. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and drop the purple, and then into every corner I'm going to chain, or sorry, I'm not going to chain, I'm going to do 4 single crochets. And I'm going to continue like that, just doing a single crochet in each available spot and then doing 4 into each corner, and then I will meet you right back here. And I just did the last single crochet, so I'm going to go ahead and go into that first single crochet, pull up a loop and chain 2, pull out enough of a tail to weave in, and then pull that nice and tight. And then this is what it looks like. I've stretched it out a bit, but it's still not blocked like this one is, so this one's nice and smooth. But this is what it looks like once you're done. And then of course, if you've done different colors, it will look different. And if you do make this, please post it on Facebook or Instagram and tag me. I would absolutely love to see your work, whether you do it in the same colors I'm doing or completely different colors. And then for tomorrow's video, you will need a solid gray square with a red trim if you're wanting to do what I'm doing. Otherwise, you can wait and see what tomorrow's video is and then make your own. And then this one will have a sew-on portion, and it will be red, black, and white. So for tomorrow's video, if you count the background, you will need gray, red, black, and white. So go ahead and put your guesses in the comment section below on what you think tomorrow's square is going to be. And as always, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Bye!